you're on.
Hello, this is Michael, and I'm doing this excavator set. It was set 42055, and I'm still making progress on it. So we've got this excavator. It's got this, then this. As you can see, this can move, and then this whole baby is not all. This thing was stuck. Okay, so this baby you see right here is, so as you can, let me just turn this over here. See that?
Impressive, Michael.
And then this turns off. And then you have to enter the right passcode. And that's what I was expecting. They're like, how do you turn this on? This? Oh, this. So you have to put on a passcode to put this thing on. And it's just 3, 2.
Does it do different functions, sir?
Does it do different?
Does it like go back and forth and deliver
I don't.
its dirt?
I don't know. I think this is backwards.
No, I think that was the right way. I think that's the only way it goes. Okay,
I'll explain.
so how are you doing on this kit, Michael? What do you think about this kit?
Well, it's a pretty good kit. It's a technique set. And I'm just 6. So, almost 7. And this thing I really liked about. This thing was really hard to build. But you think
Can you show us? Can you pick it up and just show us?
here's the 360 view around it. Whoa. Hope this thing doesn't break. I can't do like the sound and stuff.
You understand? Wow,
And then
that's
this
crazy,
is the front.
Michael.
And then this is the back. And then there's these different.
Can you show us the other piece?
What
The base engine there?
this?
No, the other part that you already built?
This? This?
Yes.
Oh.
Just pick it up and show it to us.
So this is a 360 view around it.
That's pretty amazing, Michael. Show us the bottom.
Here's the bottom. Here's the top. So, and here's what we're on right now. I just put the motor in. And the next page is going to look like this.
All right, Michael.
So,
Well, thanks for your tour, part 2.
yep. So, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.